the Squid, and this is my younger brother, Yankee the Squid. Today we're gonna open a 3D printer Tina2s journey. Let's start open. It's really big. First, you have to get this off. Thank you, Yankee the Squid. Okay, we got it open right here. And we're gonna First we have this thingy right here, and second we have a tape. No, not the tape. We have the thin plastic filament, or you make things with. Yeah, and then there is a glue stick. We need a glue stick because sometimes your statue with 3D printer isn't stuck at ground level, so you need a glue stick to glue it. And USB. And there is a wire right here where you can plug it in. Let's get this thing off. And yeah, it's Yankee the Squid. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing down
to the chair.
And
yeah, there's nothing.
oh, I can see the 3D printer. Yankee the Squid, pull. 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 Pull, Yankee the Squid. Yankee, pull, you can do it. Yeah, wait. Yankee, stop. Yes, this.
Yeah.
This way. Now we have the 3D printer right here.
Don't you take it?
We're gonna get this guy open. And this is a tricky part.
You have to take it out. You have to take it out.
This is a tricky part. You see this yellow thing right here? You have to get this yellow thing out. The yellow part looks like this. Now, there's thing where you can
Oh yeah, I
Get-
think that yellow one is good.
you can get this and open. Okay, my younger brother Yankee the Squid is leaving. Bye. Yeah, you're gonna open this by this. Right here. Yeah, and guys, you're gonna put this right here, nice and clean. And when you're putting in the nozzle,
엄마 이거 내 거야.
there's this nozzle right here where it goes into here, so it can get this into it, so it can get the thing out. First, this little screen right here, nice and clean. Let me do it. If you go right in, it will stuck. You can do it until it stucks. And when you do it, you have to push the black part so you can go in. And then I'm gonna get this filament, nice and clean. And when you get the filament out, get the nozzly parts out. Yes. And then put the thing over here. And there's a hole at the bottom that you can pull it in like this. You have to push the lever into the hole until it goes. It will keep go.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and then it will step too. So when it get into the end, you're gonna need this lever, so you can turn it on and off.
Oh yeah.
There's one nice support. There's a nice support QR code, so you can use it. And I'm gonna pop this in. We changed the place because we didn't have the plug right there. So at here, I plugged this lever, and if you see up here, if you turn it on, it will be turned on.
Oh.
And choose your language.
Oh.
Right there. Next. They are loading for Parliament? Yes, I think it worked. Oh, it's heating the nozzle. So when it gets hot, they will put the Parliament in so they can make the statue. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna go at the app. Yes, the nozzle is coming down because it's heating, and I'm gonna get the app. And there's a support app right here, and yes, it got hot. App, scan the QR code. If you go to this QR code, there will be this app that you can download. So you can download and you can get the QR code from this machine. So you can use this machine when you get a QR code. And there's this insert card where you can put in. You have to pay attention to not do it backwards, like this. The card is in, and there's this camera where you can scan this QR code. And my tablet is connecting the device, and it connects it, so you can get a Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. Now the connecting is successful, so I can print. I click next. Now I can write my name and I can print. I will write Inky. Inky. And done. I will print. Oh, and then I have to get this thing out, and then I will print. It is printing. Okay, now I'm printing my name, Inky, and it will take 10 minutes and 53 seconds.
뜨거워.
First, now I'm done printing my name, Inky. It would be way more cooler if there was a color. It's not that hot, so I'm gonna take this guy off. It's magnetic, so I can take it off. And I'm gonna cool it down. First, this guy, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, this is not that hot. I'm gonna cool it down. Actually, it's not hot. And I'm gonna get this guy off. It's really cool. And at the back,
It's hot and cold.
it looks like this. And it's Inky. And when you're done printing, did you ever felt like you don't like the back thingy? You can just chop it off.
Chop it off.
And now you have your name tag right here and the back one. You can print more things if you watch my video. This was Inky the Squid. Bye bye.